I'm making this video for you, so I'm going to save your time and your money. Why I don't actually recommend ECWID for dropshipping. Now, I made plenty of tutorials, plenty of guides about all the e-commerce platforms. And when I see that someone is going to recommend you ECWID for dropshipping, I just roll my eyes. And I'm going to explain all the reasons right now. So the first thing is the free plan. Free plan is not that great. You can't use product variants on the free or entry-level plans. This is really important. And also you can have only 5 products for the free account. Comparing to Shopify, let's say, for Shopify, if you're going to use the link in the description, you're going to bring your ideas to life for €1 a month for 3 months. So sign up for free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify. And then the pricing is, let's say for the basic account, $32 a month. Yes, it's a little bit more expensive, but in those 3 months, you can learn website design. You can learn how to operate Shopify like really effectively. So in that regard, in my opinion, Shopify is really good because for the 3 months of €1, it's going to save you a lot of time. This is another thing. The next thing is that you will convert more customers with Shopify when I compare the design with ECWID. So with the ECWID, when you would come here to the website, you're going to have the site appearance right here that you can change. The thing is that if you would check, like just compare the examples of Shopify stores and examples of ECWID stores. And you would see that even when I was reading about the ECWID stores, plenty of them just switch to Shopify, only because this is the most important thing. Like, let's imagine that you're going to get a lot of orders, a lot of processing, and you need to have better reporting. ECWID is not going to be sufficient for that, only because they don't have the integration, they don't have the deeper analytics. So when you want to really make your site bigger and you know, and you believe that you're going to be big and you want to make it really great, choose Shopify because all the apps, all the integrations are just much better there. Now, when you come here, let's say I'm going to have this store right here. This store was on ECWID and it switched to Shopify. Okay, now there comes the pick and honey, and you're going to have some pre-order right here. Let's say buy now. And you can have the pickup date and all of that. I mean, for just standard e-commerce store, ECWID can be sufficient and enough if you preferred more than, let's say, Shopify. But if you want to focus on dropshipping, Shopify is just much better than that. So converting is better with the apps and everything, and with how you can design your site. I recommend definitely Shopify. Then, not a lot of integrations. This is the next thing, really important one, is that when I come here to ECWID, look at this. And when you're going to find apps, and let's say you want to choose dropshipping, you can have much more options for like Deezer's, CJ Dropshipping, or AliExpress, and many others. But here you're going to have Spocket that I don't recommend at all, Syncy that is expensive, and then you're going to have like Printful. Are there all of these? I just wouldn't use them at all. And for me, like Shopify is a much better winner comparing to ECWID. And also you see the Printful, but then you're going to have Gelato or Printify if you want to use the POD. That is going to be much better. Now, when I'm going to click here on marketing, look at this. So here you're going to have even apps here that also you can have much more on Shopify with better integrations with Instagram, with Facebook ads and all of that. Shopify is a way to go. And this is not like promotion for Shopify. You can say, oh, you're just promoting Shopify. No. I just want to save your time. You don't have to use my link. Completely up to you. I'm just giving you information. Many times you would see reporting of slow sites. Only because when you would just check the examples of sites and how fast they are comparing when you're going to have site on Shopify. And I encourage you to do that. So when you're going to have like, let's say 200 products and your store is going to sell a lot of products and you're like, okay, I need to switch because I'm just lacking a lot of integrations. I'm lacking a lot of apps that I would use. Then you're going to be like, okay, I need to switch to Shopify, but good luck switching from ECWID where you're going to have all the orders and the ads are going to work in your favor, and you want to switch to Shopify in a state that you're going to have a lot of stuff happening for you. So I would rather in those 3 months build everything really well for Shopify, and then I'm good to go, rather than trying to build everything on ECWID. So that's my point of view. Then reports are much better with Shopify. This is something that you would find out later. That reports are just like so damn good with Shopify comparing to ECWID. When you would come here and you're gonna have reports. Okay, view app. And you need to like install the application right here for that. And you would get like more advanced stuff with Shopify. So that's pretty much it. You will see when you're gonna start selling with ECWID that it's going to lag a little bit. Now, the free version doesn't let you access any of the SEO features. This is another important thing. And then plenty of e-commerce sites are switching to Shopify. So I just wanted to make this quick video for you so you're not going to make any mistakes and stuff. ECWID is an amazing platform for, let's say, e-commerce standard site that I would use. When I even write here ECWID examples, and you're going to check 50 plus ECWID examples, and let's say I'm going to open this site here. Do you see how much is loading? Right? And let's say bestsellers, and I'm going to open it. Right, look at this. Okay. Open back, and this is how it looks like, right? And you see, I mean, do you see that? And compare it to Shopify. Then when I go further, okay, this one here too, I don't know, this is not, this is, I think this is ECWID. So also you see that with Shopify, when you would hover, it will like it pop up or something would happen with that here. It's just like stationary. Okay, I'm going to open it. Let's see, add to back. Okay, go to checkout. And you see, first you have to enter email address. Then you have much more steps here. So even that is going to lower your, conversion. This is something that people just don't get. Okay, just cyan gear. Let's see that. And I don't know if this is Shopify or no, or this is ECWID to be honest, but let's see, I will just say it, Dragon Gear. See, this would convert much more in Shopify, and I have a lot of experience with that. So, okay. Go to checkout. Yep, same style. Do you see that? 1, 2, 3, like more steps. And it's also slow. And now we have the shipping, the delivery payment, but it's like, so you see that. And compare it to Shopify. Just open Shopify store, open ECWID stores, and you will see difference. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.